Coming up on today's Disney Roundup, a new Christmas after-hours party will be replacing Mickey's Very Merry this year, Halloween time resumes this year at the Disneyland Resort, and a first look at behind the attraction coming to Disney Plus next week. I have all that and more for you coming up right here on the DRU.
To infinity and beyond!
I'm in the mood to help you, dude. You ain't never had a friend like me.
Hey everyone, Jeff here, and welcome to the Disney Roundup, where I bring you up to date with all the latest Disney and Disney Parks news each and every single week. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. And starting off with Parks news this week, as we are just a little over halfway to the holidays for this year, Disney has announced a new Disney After Hours Christmas event that will be coming to Magic Kingdom this year. Disney Very Merriest After Hours will take place on select nights November 8th to December 21st from 9 p.m. to 1 a.m. Festivities will include Minnie's Wonderful Christmas Time Fireworks Show, character sightings, holiday-themed attraction overlays, Cinderella Castle projections, decor, included treats with admission, snowfall on Main Street, USA, and more. Disney Very Merriest After Hours tickets will grant admission to Magic Kingdom as early as 7 p.m. without the need for a day park tickets or a Disney Park Pass theme park reservation. Tickets will go on sale next month with an early purchase window available to guests of select Walt Disney World Resort hotels. Along with the announcement of this year's new Christmas party at Magic Kingdom, Disney also shared other festivities happening around property, with Sunset Season's greetings returning to Hollywood Studios as the Hollywood Holiday Tower Hotel. The return of seasonal decor and festive Disney character flotillas at Animal Kingdom this year. The Epcot International Festival of the Holidays will return this year as well, starting November 26th all the way to December 30th, with holiday kitchens around the park, performances by the Voices of Liberty, and the Cookie Stroll, and more. Nothing was mentioned though as of yet if the Candlelight Processional will be back this year. Resorts will continue to decorate for the season, including the return of gingerbread house displays, and over at Disney Springs, the Christmas Tree Stroll. So, Disney Very Merriest After Hours will be replacing Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party this year, and is very similar to the Disney After Hours Boo Bash replacing Mickey's Not So Scary this fall. The big difference here is that Very Merriest has announced special themed fireworks, where the Boo Bash still doesn't up to this date, and Very Merriest runs until 1 a.m. where the Boo Bash is scheduled to 12 and 12:30. I'm wondering though that with the post this announcement was made, and the current page on the website doesn't mention though anything about character cavalcades, so if that means there could be the return of parades by then, and for here, Mickey's Once Upon a Christmas Time. The other thing worth pointing out here with this after hours event is there will be the Cinderella Castle projections as they did last year, which assumingly means the Dreamlights will not be added to the castle again this year, and possibly next year as well, with the 50th anniversary still going on and the special decor still up. It could be 2023 before we see those again. Also, Frozen Holiday Wish probably isn't likely to return this year either, as the stage show uses the Dreamlights as part of the show, but yes, it does seem though that Very Merriest will be similar to the Boo Bash, probably in price wise too, as Boo Bash tickets went very quickly and are sold out for quite a few nights as well. I do think though Very Merriest does offer a bit more than the Boo Bash as for now, but let me know what you think of this in the comments down below, and if you plan on going to the new event this holiday season. After being closed during the spooky season last year, Disney has announced that Halloween Time will return this year to the Disneyland Resort. Halloween Time returns to both Disneyland Park and California Adventure Park this year, starting September 3rd all the way until October 31st. At Disneyland Park will be the return of the Mickey Mouse Jack-o'-lantern, and every night from September 3rd all the way to October 31st. In Walt's original park, guests will enjoy Halloween Screams, a supernatural projection special effects show. On weekend nights, Halloween Screams will take to the skies and enhance the mischief with fireworks. At California Adventure Park, park decorations return, including with Cars Land. Radiator Springs will become Radiator Screams with holiday-themed ride overlays, and the return of the Oogie Boogie Bash. Oogie Boogie Bash returns being held select nights from September 9th all the way to October 31st, with immersive treat trails, the Frightfully Fun Parade, Villains Grove at Redwood Creek Challenge Trail, Mickey's Trick and Treat Show, and more. Tickets are currently on sale for the event, starting at $114 per person. Along with the returning announcement of Halloween time resuming this year at the Disneyland Resort, Disney has also shared a look into the holiday season where they first look at the Haunted Mansion Holiday Gingerbread House. Celebrating 20 years this holiday season, this year's Haunted Mansion Holiday Gingerbread House will pay homage to all the previous, going all the way back to the first in 2001, where it will include a piece from the Monster House. Disney has shared concept art for this year's Gingerbread House that also shares what year each piece originated from. To commemorate the 20 years, special merchandise will be coming to Disneyland Resort starting September 27th. Guests who will soon be visiting Magic Kingdom, be aware that 2 attractions in the park will be closed later this month for some expected downtime. Posted on the Walt Disney World website, Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin is said to be closed for refurbishment from July 20th all the way to July 22nd. It's a Small World is also scheduled to be closed later in the month, starting July 27th, going to the 29th. With both attractions each being closed for just 3 days, the expected closure for these is just most likely for some quick general repair, maintenance, and cleaning. Now on outside the parks news, last week a list of benefits was revealed for guests who will be staying on property for Walt Disney World's 50th anniversary, including early theme park entry. Now Disney has posted a list of the hotels eligible for that offer. Starting October 1st, guests staying at select Walt Disney World Resort hotels and even some Disney Springs area hotels will be eligible for early theme park entry. Resorts included are All Value Resorts, being all 3 of the All-Stars, Pop Century, and Art of Animation, Beach Club, Yacht Club, Boardwalk, Grand Floridian, Polynesian, Contemporary, Bay Lake Tower, Wilderness Lodge, and even Disney Springs Resorts. Early theme park entry will allow guests to be able to enjoy 30 minutes early entry to any Walt Disney World theme park every day. And if you want to see the full list of eligible resorts, I will leave a link to that in the description down below. Before the end of this year, all Disney World Resort hotels will once again be open, as Disney has just revealed the reopening dates for All-Star Movies, All-Star Sports, and Port Orleans. Now posted on the Walt Disney World website, following the reopening of the Polynesian and Animal Kingdom Lodge, Disney's All-Star Music Resort is set for reopening September 16th, Port Orleans Riverside reopening October 14th, with French Quarter reopening later on the 28th, and All-Star Sports is set to reopen December 9th. When All-Star Sports reopens December 9th, it will be the first time all of the Walt Disney World Resort hotels will all be open since the closure March of 2020. Now in the company news, over this past week, the Walt Disney Animation Studios revealed the first teaser trailer for their new and upcoming film, Encanto. Encanto is the tale of an extraordinary family, the Madrigals, who live hidden in the mountains of Colombia in a magical house in a vibrant town in a wondrous, charmed place called an Encanto. In the film, the magic of the Encanto has blessed every child in the family with a unique gift, every child except one, Mirabelle. But when she discovers that the magic surrounding her, the Encanto, is in danger, Mirabelle decides that she is the only ordinary Madrigal, might just be her exceptional family's last hope. Encanto is currently scheduled to open in theaters on November 4th, 2021, and if you want to watch the full teaser trailer, I will leave a link to that in the description down below. Just recently, Disney and Pixar have released the first teaser trailer for one of their new upcoming films, Turning Red. Turning Red features a 13-year-old who suddenly poofs into a giant red panda when she gets too excited, and also includes her overbearing mother, who is never far from her daughter, an unfortunate reality of the teenager. Turning Red is currently scheduled to open in theaters on March of 2022, and if you want to watch the full teaser trailer, I will leave a link to that in the description down below. Just a week away from making its official debut on Disney+, Disney and executive producer Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson have revealed the first official trailer for Behind the Attraction. Behind the Attraction explores how Imagineers filled the Haunted Mansion with 999 happy haunts, and how the Twilight Zone Tower of Terror transformed into Guardians of the Galaxy, Mission Breakout, and more. The first 5 episodes will be available for streaming on Disney Plus starting next week, July 21st, and if you want to check out the full trailer, I will leave a link to that in the description down below as well. Alright everyone, well, that's all you for this week's episode of the Disney Roundup. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. That's all I have for this week, and until next time, we'll see you on the DRU.